Hello, my name is Stephen Gottlieb, and I made up the net video. At this point, I would just love for you to sit back and view a sample demonstration. I'm going to show you a very unique way of doing this long division problem. This way you get to see a little bit of my teaching style. I want to compute 4883 divided by 31. Now you could do the long division, but this is a much easier way of doing it. I want to teach you two concepts. The first one is, let's suppose for a moment we want to check this answer, 159 remainder 12. How would we do that? Well, let's look at our simpler case. 3 into 7. 3 goes into 7 2 times. 2 times 3 is 6. I take that away from 7, I get 1. Remainder 1. How would you check this? Maybe we made a mistake. And the answer is, you'd multiply this 3 by the 21, you'd multiply this 3 by the 2, and then you add 1. You'd multiply 3 by 2, and then you'd add 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. Yep, 7. That's what we wanted. So you can multiply this 31 by 159 and add 12. But that's even way too complicated. If that's the way you're going to do it, my advice is to do some long division. This is the second concept that I want you to think about. Suppose you were multiplying 28 by 72. My question is, what's the right-hand number going to be in the answer? The answer to my question is, it comes from 2 times 8. 2 times 8 is 16, which ends in a 6. This final answer will end in a 6. 2 times 8 is 16, carry a 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Then you indent. So let me write 5, excuse me. Then you indent. 7 times 8 is 56. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 5 is 19. The first thing you do is bring down the 6. Even if you have carryovers, like 5 plus 6 is 11. You carry it to the left, 10. You carry to the left. The rightmost digit comes from 2 times 8, which ends in a 6. And we're going to use that concept to figure out which answer would be correct. Let us look at the first choice. 31 times 159. What will that end in? Well, 1 times 9 ends in a 9. And when you add 12, it ends in a 1. That's not a 1. Bye-bye. 1 times 8 is 8. Add 14 to it, ends in a 2. That's not a 2. Bye-bye. Okay, very quick procedures. Is 157 remainder 16 the answer? Well, 1 times 7 ends in a 7. Add 16, it ends in a 3, just like that number. That might be the answer. 1 times 7 is 7. Add 4 to it, ends in a 1. That's not the answer. Here's the answer. Here it is. And I didn't do any long division. That is, I did not do 31 into 4883. I multiplied by 1. 9 times 1 ends in a 9. Just for the record, if that were a 2, 9 times 2 ends in an 8. I don't care what the other digits are. I don't care that it's 1/8. When I add 12, I don't even care that 12 has a 1 first. When I add these, it's going to end in a 0. It's going to end in a 0. I don't care what that digit is. That doesn't end in a 0, so that wouldn't be the right answer. This completes the sample demonstration for the NET exam. I definitely wish you great success in this exam, because for obvious reasons it helps you get into your program of your choice, the nursing program. Okay, thank you for viewing my video, and once again, good luck on this test.